What is going on? So yesterday I got my 2015 Prius C serviced, oil change at Speedy, and today I have to put in a new air filter. They asked me if I wanted it done there yesterday, but I told them I had one, but I didn't. But Amazon got it to me today, so now I have one. So show you how to change one real quick on a 2015 Prius C. Alright, so we got you under the hood. The air filter for the 2015 Toyota Prius C is right here under this black box with two metal clips. I'll bring you in closer. Alright, it is windy today, so you might see some of the furs from the dead cat, but this is the air filter box right here with the two metal clips I was just talking about. Alright, I'm going to be using an ECOGARD premium filter. I got this off Amazon. Put a price and link in the description. Just kind of tilt it up. Here's the old one. It's a new one. Sorry. Same size. Tilt down, then drop it in. Clip. There you go. All right, filter change complete. Catch you on the next one.